Hi, I'm Kenturah Davis, and today I'll be reading from the book M is for Melanin by Tiffany Rose. It's a wonderful book that affirms and encourages you to love the skin you're in. Enjoy! M is for Melanin, a celebration of the Black child by Tiffany Rose. A is for Afro. Your hair makes a statement. Embrace the bigness of your hair. Pick it, fluff it, love it. B is for very Black. Be it unapologetically. Be bold, be fearless, be you. C is for creative. Paint the canvas of life with the colors of the rainbow. Sprinkle your Black girl magic and Black boy joy on the world. D is for dream. From Martin to Michelle and everyone in between, you, little Black child, are your ancestors' wildest dream. E is for empowerment. If the path you want doesn't exist, create it. Dare to be different. Persist. People will say you can't until you do. F is for fresh. Our people make something out of nothing and make it look good. You are no exception. G is for genuine. There is nothing more honest than your authentic self. Be you. Love you. Always. Always. H is for hip hop. Hip is knowledge of your culture. Hop is expression of movement. Dance to the music within you. I is for imagine. Imagine yourself as the next Black president. No longer a dream, but a reality to be fulfilled. J is for joy, and finding it wherever you look. Imagine, create, inspire. The world awaits. K is for king. Lift your head high and adjust your crown. Acknowledge your majesty and act accordingly. L is for lead. Lead with intention and purpose. You were never meant to follow. M is for melanin, shining in every inch of your skin, every shade, every hue, all beautiful and unique. N is for natural, from your roots to your fingertips. No additives necessary. Amazing, just as you are. O is for Obama, our first Black president. He did so that you can. P is for pride. Rejoice in who you are and where you come from. Be present, stand tall, stand proud. Q is for queen. Majestic is your mane, and sun-kissed is your skin. Royalty flows through your veins. R is for remembrance. Remember those before you. They will guide you on your journey. S is for soul. Never diminish your shine so that others shine brighter. Be such a vibrant soul that others crave your light. T is for travel. A passport is a powerful thing. To know the world is to better understand yourself. U is for unleash. Unleash your potential. Unlock your magic. Put in the work and see what happens. V is for voice. No matter how small, you deserve to be heard. Speak out for what is right. Speak up when others are silent. W is for worthy. The gifts you'll give to the world are already within you. Your worth is not determined by what you have, but by who you are. X is for Malcolm, activist, leader, revolutionary. Just like Malcolm, you alone can define you. Y is for you. You are absolutely enough. Z is for zillion. There will be a zillion people telling you to do something else or be someone else. Always be your free, talented, quirky, imaginative, melanated self. The world will adjust. Author's note. Growing up, I never saw books with characters who looked like me, let alone unapologetic blackness. I can't imagine a world in which my children will grow up not seeing a clear mirror of who they are. For so long, Black children have been underrepresented in children's literature. It's not just important for Black children, but for all children to see a shift in proclaiming the worthiness of all shades to be celebrated. I created this book for all the children who ever doubted themselves and were made to feel their Blackness wasn't enough. No matter your hue or shade, this is for you.